Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create the poll on Instagram in two ways. So first, you can create a poll here by just going to your story or Instagram story. So I'm gonna tap my story right here and then I'm going to select a picture, but actually the picture is optional. You can just simply click this sticker right here, sticker icon, and in the sticker you should see this poll sticker. So what you're going to do is you have to click this one and you can now start adding a poll. So you can first add a question right here, and then after that you can add choices. Let's just say for the question, what is your favorite social media application? And below you can add choices. So first for A, you can add Facebook. B, you can add Instagram, Twitter. You can add more options if you want to. So this is how you create. And then after that, or once you're okay with the result, then all you have to do is to press share. You can share this one with your close friend or with public. Now, another way or the second way is just you can just click the post right here, select a picture or video, everything is up to you. And then you can now filter, you can add effects if you want, music and so on. And then before you post, and then you should see the poll option right here, which is this one. You can click this. And same thing with your story. You can now add the question. What is your favorite social media application? And then after adding the question, you can now add choices. It could be the same thing like A, Facebook, B, Instagram, C, Twitter. You can add more if you wanted to. And then once done, then you can now tap the check icon and share this one. And basically, these are the two ways, or this is how easy it is to create poll on Instagram in two ways. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.